Hi guys, I hope everyone are okay. I'm okay by the grace of God. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time to pass by, please don't forget to subscribe. So guys, in this video today I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna put my wig on. This is really my first time to try put a wig on, so I'm gonna try because I'm not a professional. This is really my first time. So guys, I will start to put some foundation in my wig to make it look the same color as my head. Yeah, this for me is the easy way, not too much work. As I was saying, so this is the easier way, I think. So guys, let's watch the video. See you later. Wow, I didn't know where to start with this wig. Look at the way it is. This is rubbish. I was like, oh my god, how am I really gonna make something good with this wig? Because the way it was looking, guys, look, I was traveling with this, but thank God I make it. I try to make something really good. Yeah, because I really tried. I really tried. Oh my god, look at this. I made something nice, something cute, something lovely. I really like this hairstyle. This is really gorgeous. I really like this. Oh my goodness. Guys, tell me in comments, what do you think about this hairstyle? If it's your first time to pass here, please don't forget to subscribe. May God bless you. I love you guys. Bye bye.